Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing questions in the defense and aviation world. Will India buy 114 fighter jets? This topic has been making waves in military and geopolitical circles, and we're here to break it all down for you. India has been planning to modernize its Air Force fleet for years, and the acquisition of 114 multirole fighter jets is a critical part of this strategy. The Indian Air Force currently operates a mix of aging Soviet-era aircraft, such as the MiG-21 and Jaguar, alongside modern fighters like the Rafale and Sukhoi Su-30 Mki. To maintain air superiority and meet future challenges, India needs to bridge the gap between its current capabilities and future requirements. This ambitious project, estimated at over $20 billion, is part of the Make in India initiative, which emphasizes domestic manufacturing and technology transfer. Global aerospace giants like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Dassault Aviation, Saab, and Russia's MiG have already thrown their hats into the ring, offering platforms like the F-21, Rafale, Gripen, and Su-35. However, several challenges remain. The procurement process has faced delays due to budgetary constraints, complex requirements, and geopolitical factors. India's strategic partnerships with countries like the United States, France, and Russia also influence the decision-making process. So, will India finally greenlight the purchase of these 114 fighter jets? If it does, which aircraft will emerge as the front-runner? Stay tuned as we keep a close eye on these developments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on defense, technology, and innovation. See you in the next video.